Namaste, this is Dr. Padmaja. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to design out-of-class activity. At the end of this video session, you will be able to design the out-of-class activity for the flipped mode of teaching. The main steps involved in designing the out-of-class activities. The first and foremost thing is you should select the topic and write down the outcomes of the out-class activity. Steps involved in the flipped classroom. There are 7 steps involved in designing the flipped classroom. I am going to discuss in this video Step 1, the learning outcomes of the out-class activity. Step 2, the implementation strategy. Step 3, develop the pre-class learning activities. These are the 3 steps I am going to concentrate in this video. About out-of-class segment is mainly for the information transmission to the students, and this also helps mainly to achieve lower order cognitive levels, recall, understand and apply. And also you should keep in mind the out-of-class activity should not be too lengthy. Ideally think of one lecture class, that is, it has to be around less than 1 hour. The guidelines for creation of videos are: keep the length of video short, not more than 10 minutes. This is because it has been found that shorter videos are more engaging. If the topic is too big for a single 10 minutes video, split the topic into multiple videos, 1, 2 or 3. Ensure during screencasting that there is both text and audio narration. This will make assimilation of content easier for the students. Now let's list out the steps involved for the design of out-class activity. I will pause the video for 1 minute. Now let's see the steps involved in the design of out-of-class activity. As I have already told, identifying the topics to be designed for the flipped classroom, creating short videos of lectures maximum 10 minutes length, and posting videos and related literature onto a learning management system or a cloud platform, or whichever is suitable for you. And the 4th step is listing out concepts covered in the video. The right side of the slide shows these 3 points are important. The uploaded video URL should be workable for the students, and the license of the video has to be mentioned, Creative Commons, and the duration of the screencast has also to be mentioned. Now, the design of out-of-class activity. You have designed the activity. Now the next part is how to assess the students after the out-of-class activity. The out-of-class activity, as I have already told, mainly covers the Bloom's lower levels: remembering, understanding and applying. The guidelines for designing assessments. It is recommended that for each video you need to write down the learning objectives and the outcomes of the video, the assessment strategy you are going to implement, and the assessment has to be at lower cognitive levels, recall to apply, and it has to be aligned with the learning objectives defined for the activity. It is recommended that you evaluate these assessments before the in-class to understand the level of students. Let's recall what we have learned in this video. For the assessment, these 4 steps are important: the learning objectives, assessment strategy, expected duration, any special instructions you need to give it to the students in doing the outclass activity. These are the references I have used in designing this, in creating this video. The main reference I have used as the FDP that I have attended, and also I am one of the topper in the use of ICT in education for online and blended learning. Thank you very much.